because it's not safe. And it's not only, let's say, they're not saying that they will not only go to the affected area, but sometimes they will say the advisory is entire Mindanao na, diba? And that's how affecting. Diba? The advisory is would mean, no, you're not naman going to the affect, no, but if it's Mindanao, some countries, would not want their staff to even go to like a peaceful place like Davao or Cagayan de Oro because it's Mindanao. So it shows that it's affecting the entire country. Whether sasabihin mo, I'm far away from the affected area. No, we're in it together. It affects, no? And one very starking example of affecting everybody is, as I've said, yung budget, no? The country is already in a very difficult economic situation. Everyone, no? From Luzon down. And then if you have a very meager government resources, and then you even put much of that in the arm, the military, instead na pupunta siya sa basic services, no? Ilalagay mo pa sa arm. So that's why I think that should really end. We should really put a stop to that already. The Neumar and of course the slate, senatorial slate, should be able to work on that issue, and because it has been going quite some time now. And if you want, as a people, together as all Filipinos, build this country towards a more humane, no? And we no longer export humans. Before, nag-export tayo ng mga corn, kung ano-ano dyan, agricultural produce, or mga shrimps. Ngayon, we're exporting humans. And hello, how many of that? Women, the percentage of all overseas contract workers, part of huge and domestic percentage of that. And when you say domestic, karamihan naman talaga dyan. Majority are women. So we're now exporting our women. And so ang feeling ko, if we really would want to take our government away from that, our people from that, and really move towards a more, humane Philippines, and a Philippines that is taking care of its own people, then all Filipinos should work together. And if you want to work together, no more conflict. Diba? We should all be in together. The potentials that all of us, be you a Moro or an indigenous person or a Christian, itap na natin lahat. We should not discriminate na each other, and if somebody can do something for the betterment of this country just because she or he is not a mainstream Filipino, hindi siya katulad ng iitsapuera mo siya. I mean, I don't think the country will be able to move forward to a positive, life if we still continue having this bias, this prejudice, this armed conflict, this warlordism, and all of this stuff. I mean, we should really put an end. And of course, women, we should minimize, if not totally stop. Kasi you send women abroad to teach others' children, but the social cost, their own kids are not, are disturbed, psychologically affected by being away from their own parents, and then they're spending so much for their own kids' education, when if they stay, diba, they could be the teachers of their own kids and not be abused pa, not come home in conflicts, or not come home with all sorts of violence or, human rights violations that they experience just because, by virtue of their being a woman. So, ako yan yung pinaka-malaking feeling ko talaga na
you can really contribute a lot to the society. How's your campaign strategy going? You'll be in Manila for a while?